everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create this autumn inspired makeup look. So to save time, I have already applied my foundation, concealer and powder, and the foundation I've used is a mixture of the Tarte and e.l.f. foundations. I've also applied concealer from Tarte, and the powder I have used is also from e.l.f. First, we're going to work on the eye makeup, and I'm going to be using the Deluxe Edition palette from Carli Bybel. I've already applied a light shimmery shade to work as the base colour, and now I'm going to apply a metallic shimmer brown into the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to use this white highlight colour and apply this into the inner corners of my eyes. I'm going to use that same white highlight colour, and I'm just going to apply this onto the outer corners of my bottom lash line. So now I'm going to go back to that same brown shimmery colour that we used before, and I'm just going to apply this onto the inner corners of my bottom lash line. So now it is time to work on the eyebrows, and I'm just going to give them a quick brush through just to neaten them up a little bit. And the product that I'm going to be using on my brows today is the brow powder by Barry M, and I'm just going to use this to give them a little bit more shape and colour definition. For the lashes, I'm going to be using the Lights Camera Lashes Mascara from Tarte, and I'm just going to apply this on the top and bottom lashes. So now it is time to add some bronzer, and I'm going to be using this colour again from the Carli Bybel palette that we used before. For highlight, I'm just going to be using this beautiful rose gold colour, and I'm just going to be applying this onto the top of my cheeks. I'm also going to apply a small amount of the same highlighter to underneath the brows. Now I'm going to go back to that bronzer colour that I used before, and I'm just going to apply a light dusting onto the top of my nose. So I'm going to contour the nose slightly using this matte brown colour, and I'm just going to draw a line onto the bottom of my nose and just draw a circular shape, and this is just going to give the appearance of a more button-like nose. So once that's all blended in, I'm also going to apply highlighter onto the tip of my nose and also up the bridge of my nose. So now it's time to add a pop of colour to the face, and I'm going to be using this blush from e.l.f. and I'm just going to apply this onto the apples of my cheeks and also a little bit across the nose. So for this makeup look, I've decided to draw on some freckles because I just think they look so cute, and I'm going to be using the brow powder that I used earlier for my eyebrows, but I'm just going to be using this to draw on some fake freckles, and I think this powder is really perfect for drawing on freckles because it isn't too harsh and it does make them look more realistic. When I was little, I actually used to have so many freckles, but then as I grew up, they did start to disappear. But every now and again, if I spend a lot of time in a warm, sunny place, they do make an appearance again. But apart from that, my real freckles have pretty much all gone. For the lips, I'm just going to be using this matte brown lip kit from Bybel, and this is in the colour Go To. And first I'm going to apply the lip liner all over the lips, and then I'm going to follow up using the liquid matte lipstick. So that is this autumn makeup look complete. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and perhaps I'll see you again very soon. Bye!